Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Toyota Sequoia. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, a headlight cleaning system, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.